Alright, I seen a YouTube video of a bent drill bit, and everybody was saying, oh, it's AI, it's AI. Well, just because AI can make something doesn't mean it's impossible. Look, here's a drill bit, piece of heat shrink tubing, and there you go. It works. It's not impossible. I mean, just a little creativity and ingenuity, you can easily do it. And of course, if I had a black drill bit and I cut the drill bit in half on the grooves and I heat shrinked it together, yeah, it'd be a lot more convincing. But as you can see, it does work. Of course, if you don't hold it, it'll still spin around. But it works.